Dave is the project manager for a residential builder in the city. The weather is turning cold and he wants to double-check the city rules relating to pouring a concrete slab. Dave is working from his truck as usual and wants to search the city website. The city has recently deployed a Copilot agent that makes it much easier for Dave to find the information he needs and to request actions from the Permit and Development Department. Let's take a look at how this makes Dave work easier and more efficient. On the left side, we can see Dave's phone. Dave has opened the Copilot agent and is using the voice-to-speech feature on his phone because it is much faster than typing. Displayed on the right side is Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is the low, no-code agent configuration utility that the city used to build the virtual agent. The activity map displays each step the Copilot Studio agent uses as it interacts with Dave.
What are the restrictions on pouring a residential concrete slab in cold weather?
The City Permitting and Planning Department configured Copilot Studio to use the Community Development Cold Weather Procedures document as a knowledge source associated with this agent. Copilot Studio searches the knowledge source and returns the most appropriate answer with a reference to the underlying document. The activity map in Copilot Studio displays the knowledge source that was used to generate the answer back to Dave. Dave quickly reviews the answers and determines that weather may be a factor in 2 upcoming concrete slab pours he has scheduled. To help him decide what to do, he asks the Copilot agent for the current weather forecast.
What is the weather in Fargo, North Dakota?
Because many of the processes associated with permits and development might be influenced by weather, the planning and development team decided to add the MSN Weather connector to their virtual agent. This out-of-the-box connector can be easily configured to provide current forecast data based on parameters passed into the agent by Dave. Dave decides he needs to cancel 2 upcoming inspections as the weather will not support the concrete pour. He asks the agent to cancel an inspection.
I would like to cancel an inspection.
The custom Copilot Studio action to cancel an inspection needs 3 parameters: inspection date, inspection type, and the property address. Since Dave did not include these attributes in his original request, Copilot Studio automatically asks Dave the additional questions necessary to get the full list of input fields required. Dave provides the updated answers.
December 15th. Concrete slab. 6134 Main Street.
Now that all required parameters have been entered, Copilot Studio will confirm the information entered against the Planning and Development Department system of record and cancel the inspection. The Copilot virtual agent responds back to Dave with a confirmation. Dave realizes that he has a second inspection to cancel, but this time includes all of the parameters in the first request. Copilot Studio realizes the attributes were included and does not prompt Dave for additional details.
I would like to cancel another concrete slab inspection for next Tuesday the 17th at 6122 Main Street.
Dave received the second confirmation of the cancelled request and can move on to other tasks.